Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Catch You on the Pip Side. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add a cash secured put to your Track My Options tracker. So what you're going to do is once you've signed in, you should see quick trade entry on your screen. There'll be a button here that you can press that drops down a list of different options. And so if you just took a new cash secured put or cash I guess not cash secured but a new call, you would press on this button here and it will open you up the information you need to fill out for your new trade. So let's say that you did a sell put, so you did a cash secured put. You're going to put that there. You can come in and put in whatever the ticker was, so let's just say it was SoFi. Let's say that your strike price, let's say SoFi came all the way down to $18 and hit your strike price at $18. That's where you set that strike price to be to buy the shares if it gets that low. And then whatever the premium was that you received. So let's say that you got a $3 premium, you would type it in as a decimal. So you don't type in $30, you type it in like 30 cents with the decimal. Basically, you type it in how it shows up as the bid on your options chain. Then you would come in here and set your expiration. Let's say that it was October 17th. And you can also put in whatever it costs you to open that trade. So let's say it was like $1.05 in fees to open that options trade. You could put some notes here if you want to. You could also take a screenshot of your trade like on your broker, and then you can upload that onto here too. And then you just come down to the bottom and say add trade. And then once it's been added, you'll be able to scroll down on your dashboard and you'll be able to see a list of all the trades that you currently have open. So if I scroll down here, it is right here, SoFi, sell put, strike price $18. Here's my expiration date. Here's the net credit that I made on that position. If there was screenshots, you'd be able to see a link to it here. Here's where you can edit the trade if you need to. Here's the button that you can press to close the trade. Let's say that you closed it early because you'd collected maybe 80% of your premium already and you wanted to close it early. You can fill out this information. So you can either check mark this box that says contract expired worthless, keep all the premium, or you could enter the price that you paid to buy it back. So like the ask price that you paid to close it. Again, you would enter this in as a decimal, just like you see on your options chain. And then you can fill out also whatever close fees you were charged and the date that you were closed, and then press close trade. There's some other options over here. You can press on this close trade button that we just talked about. You can press on delete trade as well, like which that's what I'm going to do because this is just an example trade. I didn't actually take this. Okay, so I'm going to delete this off of here now so that I don't forget. Okay, there we go. So that's how you enter in a put, a sell put, or a sell call. There's also other options on here to enter a credit spread, or if you have trades that you've already taken in the past and they're already closed, you can come in here and add past sell puts or calls, or you can come in here and add past credit spreads. So if they're already closed, that's what you press on to add them. If the trades are still open, then you use either the new sell put or call or the add credit spread. Okay, and then what this does is it keeps track of all the trades that you have open, and it also keeps track of all the trades that you have closed. So here's a list of the open trades that I currently still have running. And then over here is a list of closed trades that I've taken since I started. It also tracks it tracks the net credit that you made. It tracks the percentage that you captured of the premium. So if you closed it early, so for example, this trade on HIMS, I captured 56% of the premium that I was paid and I closed early, but we closed early the very next day, right? So it was still like a really good return on capital because it made 56% of its premium in the first day. And then you can see other ones that I closed at 92%, 92%, 100%, etc. So it keeps track of that for you as well. Um, what else can I show you? So it keeps track of the realized premium that you've had for this month on contracts that are already closed. And it also keeps track of how much premium you have that you've earned that the contracts aren't closed yet. Keeps track of how many trades you've taken. It keeps track of what your win rate is. You can set a goal for the month. So like I had came in here and set a goal of $2,000 as my target. And so then it like fills out this tracker sheet of how close you are to that. You can also change and go back and look at the month before. Okay, so the month before this was brand new, so I didn't set a monthly goal because I didn't have access to this cool software yet. But this is the premium that I had earned the month before, and there's also still some open trades that I entered in last month, but they haven't closed yet. You can also click over here on all-time premium so that you can come in and see the lifetime of premiums that you've collected that are closed. So this will only reflect ones that are already closed. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you on the pip side.